Hi, I'm Allie Walsh, and today I'm going to show you how easy it is to get the most out of your Nicsa membership and engage with your committees using the Nicsa Hub. The Hub is a one-stop shop for collaborating and connecting with other Nicsa members. In it, you can start a discussion, join in on existing threads, and share content, all within private committee groups or with the entire Nicsa membership. This same account can also be used to access exclusive membership content or attend our virtual events. Let's start by creating your login. Go to hub.nicsa.org. Click Don't Have an Account. Fill out the fields and click Create Account. When you log in, you will be brought to your profile. To update your profile, click on Edit My Profile on the left side navigation. We would greatly appreciate that you update the entire profile, but ask that you do these things at a minimum. Add your profile photo, your title, job function, areas of expertise, mobile phone, and email. For security reasons, the system logs you out after 24 hours, but we all know it can be a hassle to remember and re-enter your username and password. So let me show you some ways you can get your web browser or electronic device to do that part for you. When you are in Chrome, click or tap the three dots on the top right of the browser window and pick Settings. Then you can choose Autofill on the list on the left side of the screen, then pick Passwords for the list that populates. At the top of the Passwords page are two switches you can use to toggle on Offer to Save Passwords and Auto Sign In. Once you have these settings turned on, your browser will ask you if you want to save your username and password next time you log into the Nicsa Hub. In Safari, open the Safari menu on the top left and pick Preferences from the drop-down menu. In the Preferences window, click Autofill, then check the box next to Usernames and Passwords. The process for Microsoft Edge, which replaced Internet Explorer as the default web browser for Windows devices, is almost the same as the process for Chrome. Click or tap the three dots on the top right of the browser window and pick Settings. Then you can find Passwords on the list under your profile. There, just like in Chrome, there's a switch to turn on Offer to Save Passwords, then a button to toggle Signing in automatically. Once you have these settings turned on, your browser will ask if you want to save your username and password next time you log into the Nicsa Hub. And if you have any questions, reach out to your committee liaison on Nicsa's staff or email info@nicsa.org. We look forward to seeing you in the community.